All right, guys, welcome to Starlight Crypto. Good day, everyone. Good day, everyone. It's so good to have you guys here. In this video, I'm actually gonna be showing you how you can perform the testnet tax that was recently announced by Human Protocol. So in order to get started, you have to click on the testnet link, and when you click on the testnet link, it's gonna take you to this interface right here. Yeah, so this is the interface which is gonna take you to if you're an Android user, just like I do recommend in some of my videos, and I have also taught in some of my videos, that you have to download a web3 browser. Yeah, and the ones I strongly recommend is the Mrs browser or the Kiwi browser if you're an Android user. Well, let's say for instance you're an iPhone user. I would suggest you do all of these activities inside the MetaMask application. So for I'm actually using a Mrs browser for this illustration. In case you do not know how to install the MetaMask extension on your browser, on your Mrs browser, is quite easy. Just open a new tab, search for MetaMask, extension right here, then click on the first one that is having the Chrome Web Store Google, the first one right here. Click on it. Once you click on that, then you come right here, this part which is already showing remove from Chrome. You're gonna see add to Chrome. Just go ahead and add the extension to Chrome, then create a new wallet. If you have an already existing MetaMask wallet which you want to use, you can go ahead and import it, then begin with the testnet process. So that's it for that, guys. So back to our Humanity Protocol testnet. So once you're in this interface, you first things first, go ahead and switch this page to the desktop mode. By doing that, just click um, at this three dot at the top right here, then click on desktop site. Go and enable it. So I'll just click on it. You can see that it has changed its mode to that of the desktop version. So it's now on the desktop version. Then I'll go ahead and connect wallet, then select MetaMask, then I'll connect. Then I'll accept this. Then I click on sign message. Then I accept this right here. Here we are asked to create a human ID. So it's very simple. What we need to just do here is just create a name. Yeah, we need to choose a name for our human ID. So I'll just go ahead and type Starlight. Okay. Yeah, this is what I'll use for my invite name. So if you're making use of my link below here, that you are asked to input the human ID of whosoever invited you. If you're making use of my link, my human ID is supposed to automatically appear here, but just in case you're not using it, you can just go ahead and type Starlight right there. Okay, once you've done that, you go ahead and click on next. Okay, so here we're asked to complete our profile by typing in our first name, last name, email address, and also confirm the email address. So I'll just go ahead and type in my first name, go ahead and click on next. They said I should check my email address. We emailed a code to ensure the code is 592353 and verify the email button. Do not close tab. All right, I'll just go ahead and check my mail. I got the mail. If your verification request shows this code, which is correct, so I'll just go ahead and click on verify email right here. Email verified. Please return to your original tab. So I'll just head back to my Kiwi browser right here, then wait for it. I'll click on next. All right, click on next, click on next, click on next. This is basically it. This is how you go about this. So after you've done that, then at the top here, this icon right here, click on it. Then make sure you link all your social handles, your Twitter, your Google, your Discord, your Telegram, your GitHub, just whichever one you have. Whichever one you have, you may not necessarily have all of them, but but I feel the major ones you have, like Telegram, Discord, Twitter, you can just go ahead and link it. But if you have all of them, you can just link it all. So what we'll be doing next is to go and claim our faucet. Yes, and in order to do that, first of all, make sure you copy your address right here by clicking on this icon, this copy icon. Then next you go up here and click on faucet right here. Okay, so now that it has loaded up, you can see here that we are going to request one Testnet Human Protocol Faucet. This is not real, this is just for testing purposes. Yeah, so I'll just come here and paste my address which I copied earlier, then click on request. Okay, right here you can see there is a notification, meaning it has already been requested. If I click on request again, you've exceeded the rate limit, please wait 50 seconds. Okay, 45 seconds before you try again. So now that I've claimed this, I can still come back after 50 seconds to claim more faucets. So after this, then I'll head back, and now I'll come up here and start bridging. I'll click on bridge right here. Alright, so this is our bridge section right here. So first things first, I'll go ahead and connect the wallet. Yeah, welcome to Polygram ZK Zinc EVN. Click on confirm. Then I'll connect. I'm asked to switch my they're asking me to switch my network to Sepolia Testnet or HP Testnet to continue. So this is what I'm going to do here. This part that says add to MetaMask right here, I'll click this. HP Testnet network successfully added. What I'll do next is to click on connect wallet right here. So now that I've clicked on connect wallet, the network automatically changes. Yeah, and now it is, if you look here, it is on HP Testnet. If you guys remember that I claimed one test HP, which is the testnet token for Human Protocol, I can still claim more, but that should be after 50 seconds. So this is basically what you need to be doing on this site in order to generate more points for yourself. The higher the points, the higher your airdrop allocation. In order to accumulate points, you have to make sure that you perform series of bridges. You have to do this every single day. Yeah, whenever you're free, you can perform as many bridges as possible. The more bridge you perform, the more points you earn. You can also invite friends as well and also earn points from them. So in order to carry out this bridge, now we will be bridging from HP Testnet to Sepolia Testnet, as you can see here. So I'll just go ahead, instead of using all my token here, let us just do 0.5. Yeah, I'm bridging from HP Testnet to Sepolia Testnet. These are two different networks. Yeah, so I'll just click on continue right here. Okay, then click on bridge, then click on confirm. Transaction created, transaction successfully submitted. You can see that down here. So this is pending. I don't know how long this will take. Some bridges do take 2 to 3 minutes, some can take an hour plus depending on the network. So I'll just refresh this. As you can see here, they said the bridge has been initiated. So waiting for validity proof. Transaction will be confirmed in 188 badges. All right, so I'll just skip that for now. You can, it's not, you don't necessarily need to wait for the transaction to be confirmed. You can just head back. Yes, you can head back and still perform more bridges. You can perform more bridges. I can say 0.1, continue, bridge again, confirm. Alright, so you can see here guys, I've performed like 3 transactions. So I'll just perform the last one. Yeah, I'll just perform the last one. Okay, but this time I would switch the networks. Instead of bridging from HP testnet, now I'll bridge from Sepolia testnet to HP testnet. And to do that, what you need to simply do is click on the HP testnet arrow right there. Then now change it to Sepolia testnet. So immediately it is changed to Sepolia testnet. The one down would be changed to HP testnet. Hope you understand. And after that has been changed, then you can see below that after you choose the network, you have to choose the token, which is this right here. I have Sepolia testnet ETH. I have ETH on Sepolia testnet, but I don't have on THP. Reason why is that the token which I just bridged, remember what I just bridged was from HP testnet to Sepolia testnet. Yeah, I bridged the HP token, the human protocol token. Yes, I bridged the human protocol token from the human protocol testnet network to Sepolia testnet network. But since the bridge has not been completed, it hasn't been confirmed yet, it will be showing 0 balance on my Sepolia HP testnet token. This is it right here. But what I have available is the Ethereum token under the Sepolia testnet. I have claimed that already, although I will share the link. Yeah, I'll share the faucet link where you can be able to claim the Sepolia ETH. Yeah, just in case you want to bridge just in case you want to bridge Sepolia ETH to HP testnet. But if you don't want to go through all of those process, you can just be claiming your normal human protocol testnet token. Yeah, just as we claimed earlier on, and you can be bridging just from HP to Sepolia. Hope you guys understand, whichever one that is fine by you. So I'll just select Ethereum right here. Mind you, these are just testnet tokens. They are not real money. They are not real tokens. So let's just bridge 0.1. Click on continue. Okay. Okay. They said to do so, type I understand below to continue. Okay, I'll just type I understand. Okay. Don't show this message again. Okay. I understand. Click on continue. Then click on bridge. Then click on connect right here. Alright, so far I have initiated 4 bridges. I have initiated 4 bridges. So I'm waiting for all of them to be confirmed. Once they are confirmed, you can come back here and click on the finalize button right here. You can see it that when they are all confirmed, you would be able to click on the finalize button to finalize transaction. So this is basically how you go about this, guys. The more you bridge, the more points you get to accumulate for yourself. So I'll go back here. And if you, for those of us that might have initiated the breach and maybe want to check back later to see if the transaction has been completed to finalize the whole thing, just simply click on the activity at the top here. Once you click on activity, you'll be able to locate them. So perform series of bridges. You can perform as many bridges as possible, guys. So that's basically it. I can still go back, just as I said before, and claim more testnet token, more HP testnet token, so I'll be able to bridge more, right? So let us go and claim another faucet. Just to show you guys, I've already copied my address, so I will paste it here again. All right, and click on request. All right, transaction has been added. So head back. Whenever you're out of faucet, maybe your HP tokens has finished, you can just come to the faucet section here and claim more. Once you claim more, this faucet section right here, once you claim more, then you go ahead and continue with your bridging. Yeah, so that's basically how you go about this, guys. It's as easy as that. If you find this video helpful, make sure to give it a like, share this video to friends and family, especially those that really don't know how to go about this process. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, so whenever I post a new video, you'll be the first to get notified, guys. So thanks a lot for watching. Do have a wonderful day. Peace.